Okay, I've never done a video before for my gardens, but I'm gonna do them now because pictures don't seem to do justice to my garden. These are a bunch of pepper plants that I have. There's 4 separate ones. There's poblano peppers, jalapenos, green bell peppers, and sweet banana peppers. If you look, I have some getting ready to come here, and it's starting to flower. It's hard to see them here, but they're starting to flower and get their little buds. I have some jalapenos growing right here, some jalapenos, and they're flowering too. These are tomato plants. I have lots of big tomato plants. This one has a bunch of little tomatoes down here that are growing. They're all still very green, but I'm getting new ones, you know, every day almost. It seems there's new flowers or tomatoes coming. This one I'm most excited for up here because it is my Mr. Stripey tomatoes, and there's my first little guy right there. So I'm very excited. I haven't grown these kinds of tomatoes before. I have Better Boys and Romas and some Mountain Pride hybrids. The Mr. Stripeys are heirlooms, which I hear are really great. So it'll be interesting to see how those do and what comes out from them. My plants got pummeled with, I'm just seeing if there's anything on this plant. My plants got pummeled with hail, so a lot of the leaves are damaged, you'll see. Here's some of my green bean plants. This guy was one of the damaged guys. Here's some more. Here's some new ones that just came up. This guy and these ones just came up. They're brand new. This little guy is the brand new one too. I planted a bunch of celery that just didn't come up. It just wasn't, I don't know why, but none of it even sprouted. So no celery, but I planted all sorts of different salad greens. Like this is kale and arugula and a weed. Here's some spinach. Oh, the spinach is doing good, minus, you know, the busted leaves from the hailstorm. But all the spinach is doing really good. Everything's growing. Here's a new little guy who just started. He's coming out. Then here's tons of kale. All the kale is doing good. They're not huge plants, but in Wyoming we have to start gardening late. And I seem to do much better growing outside than starting my seeds inside. So here's some lettuces. I love how bright green. These guys are so green at my garden. And I like how they stand out. There's a bunch more that line all the way across there. I can't wait till they get huge and fill in this whole area. Here's some more lettuces. These ones are more of a dark green. I believe this is the Bibb lettuce, actually. And we come over, and I have a ton of onions up, but it's hard to see because onions just grow, you know, as little sticks. So it almost looks like there's nothing over here in these beds, but there surely is. There's onions, and there's a stray broccoli plant. He just came over here. There's lots and lots of onions over here. These are cucumber plants, and they're all starting to get there. See, their little true leaves are starting to come up. All the cucumbers. I have 2 rows of cucumbers, so hopefully they'll really get big. If you can see, I spilled onions, and so I have onions. Like, this is a huge patch right here, but I spilled the onions, so I have onions growing where my cucumbers and my squash are. I have some squash. This is probably my biggest plant so far. He's doing really good. Got pummeled by the hail again, but is surviving nicely. Tons and tons of onions everywhere. It's always onions. These are squash and zucchini is what I have right here in these ones. Here's some stray carrots that are coming up that got washed around when we got lots and lots of rain. So we have little carrots finally popping up everywhere. So it'll be nice when those guys get really big too. I need to get in here with some fertilizer. You can see this is a big patch of carrots that's probably going to need thinned out, which I hate doing, so I might just let them all grow into each other. And of course, spray a stray broccoli plant. This empty space is where we've harvested already tons and tons of radishes that have been harvested. We've been enjoying them in salads, and I've been brushing up on finding different things to do with all of our radishes. Here's some that are actually ready to come up. You can go ahead and there's a nice radish for you. We can add them to our stalk inside. Here's another nice beautiful radish. We got good ones there, or good this year. I'm really happy with what we've been getting. Radishes are definitely yielding. I didn't even fertilize or compost in here, so if they're doing this good without fertilizer and compost, you can see all the holes where we've recently harvested. Here's another harvest for you. They're coming up, so I can only imagine how good it's going to be once they get there. Once I get some fertilizer and some compost shoved in here. Let's get this guy. Sorry, just have some few that need to be pulled up, and I've had problems with leaving them far too long, and then they get mushy and almost hollow inside. It's really kind of gross how that happens, but that's what happens with them.